Katnat jale kai jong ka Sorkar jela ha ka arpo nyo tarik nailar kala penlong ya ka program ba kerpang ban ai khublei Kitbok ya ki artli ki kan hon ban jale kai bha ha ka lumpung 65th edition of Subroto Cup International Football ban long ha Bengaluru ka ban sedang nadu ka shi tarik hadu khandai tarik nailor bat hanong ba Delhi nadu khatsan hadu arpu sau tarik nailor ar hajar arpu nriu kini ki artli ki kan hon ki dei ka kan hon under 15 boys jong ka North Liberty High Secondary School na West Giant Hills bat ka kan hon under 17 boys jong ka OM Roy Memorial High Secondary School na East Khasi Hills kilapan kre ban net chimbanta ha ka 65th Subroto Cup International Football Tournament ar hajar arpu nriu ha ka jinge kun final jong ka under 15 ha ka state level Subroto Cup kablalong hanong ba Shillong ka North Liberty kala job da ar la ka way ya ka umpo liu jingtep high secondary school kat bah ka final under 17 ka OM Roy kala job da laiko la north ya ka wapung high secondary school na East Giant Hills hakani ka singi la don lang menteri ketnat ele kai jung ka Sorkar jela ba wailat miki shilla kumukongsan harangkat ka jingdon lang u director ketnat ele kai ba e nongbri kumju u deputy director ba paya war nongbri u assistant director ba Khubor pasa ki district sports officer ki coach ki khna bat ki wei na kaliang uba wailat miki ulai khublei Kitbok ke kini ki artli ki kan hon ba kini le kai bha ha ka te ka international Subroto Cup ka banlong ha Bengaluru bat ha New Delhi.
May I invite our own assistant director Sorkar to carry.
At the national, international level, kebanglong upon you the welcome. Jadi sikit berlaku ini, sewaktu berkisah, umani orang. We think about a very busy time of research, but I like the Khubor pergi bagi orang, bagi nak happen to me. Set off di Subroto tadi ada seat set off di Subroto awal untuk pemerintah. So thank you very much sir. Okay, Director Jogi, pertama kita sini. Welcome sir to the program.
Meghalaya at the 65th Subroto Cup International Football Tournament 2026. Respected Director of the Sports and Youth Affairs, who has newly joined, and I hope that we have a lot of things to do, and especially to create an opportunity to our young talent in our state. Pak Paya, Sri P.B. Warnongri, our Deputy Director, who has been always in the front for different successful conduct of different, who are working tirelessly to make sure that opportunity is given to our young talent in our state. To all my dear officers, DSO of the Sports and Youth Affairs Department who are here, and I must take this opportunity to thank these two schools who have really set the examples for other schools in our state. No doubt as a government, it is our endeavor to see that all the schools in our state should come and participate in whether it is Subroto Cup, whether it is inter-school or inter-college or other competition. But it is so unfortunate and so sad that very few turn up, very few schools turn up. They have a lot of excuse to give that it might affect academics and so on and so forth. But I must say that very North Liberty Higher Secondary School and OM Roy Memorial Higher Secondary School have really shown that if you have a passion, like the word goes, if there is a will, there is a way. And I must thank you, and at the same time, I think, let's give yourself a big round of applause. You are the champion today. You are the state champion and you are going today to represent us at the national and international level. I must, at the same time, I must thank Richard, the principal of the Non-Liberty Higher Secondary School, who has been like an elder brother to me. He always, if I do anything wrong, he's the first one to correct me. I always get a message. So thank you, Ma, and always, like I said, I think really you have been an example to other schools, not only in Giant Hills, but in the whole state of Meghalaya. I must inform O.M. Roy Memorial Higher Secondary School that Non-Liberty Higher Secondary School, I think you have seen it yourself, that they didn't just excel in sports, but they excel in academic as well. They, for the last so many consecutive years, they have been at the top 20 list of the class 10 and class 12. So that shows that you can take academic and sports simultaneously if you have that will. And at the same time, I hope that O.M. Roy Memorial Secondary School also, they are doing well in academics. And I think O.M. Roy need no introduction. We know very well. And they have been producing players for so many years. And we have very high hope and expectation. And I think both the schools are not new. Non-Liberty Higher School is like a second home for me. And O.M. Roy Memorial also just recently I came and visit, and I want to assure you I still remember my promise that I like to inform you also that we have sanctioned that 50 lakhs for your football ground for the schools. Khubor,
Digital Department on the department. O.M. Roy, the representative of O.M. Roy Memorial High Secondary School. Turshang Chumang, Osong Lindo, Medapit Suchang, Mankikan, Filipia, Wolski, Khopmalai, Fredison, Tavyang, Justin Lindo, Yowan Mirumbai, and Kevin Suchang. Ini long player di Mat Yakanot Liberty. Nanti John Liberty dan keempat yang tim John O.M. Roy Memorial Higher Secondary School dan Under-17 Boys na isya ng May Siyang Sadasi Yabantok ng Sildi Stingbor Hongi Bakura Dokdong Batista Mujay Ibenza Sun Chesterfield Omstong Rafael Nagdolang State Dane Woods Scheme Stephen Kasakiel, Lamshai Jana, Jonathan Kagani, Jonas John Coffey, but Rima Jishai Katomor, sorry, Bana Jishai Katomor, hindi lang player di coach, coaches, manager, yung club ruli. Press, iba din iparlok ki Johnny, iba ng Khubor, gedon mani. Ki players, iba lang ng Khubor, ay kublay, iba ro, kublay Shillong. But the day you win the cup, our prayers, our love, our blessing for you all. Meghalaya is cheering for you all, wishing both the team safe journey and successful tournament. Thank you everyone. Please don't go away without having a cup of tea.